guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be opening a package which is from Pipsticks. So Pipsticks is also known as Sticker Heaven, and they are a sticker subscription club. And they design and source stickers from the best suppliers all over the world, which allows them to give their members a gorgeously packed, unique stash of special stickers. So I would like to say thank you to Pipstick Stickers for sending me these wonderful stickers, and as a result, I would like to give you guys a discount code which is hkstudies 20, and this will give you 20% off the first month of any regular non-gift subscription. To know more about Pipsticks, you can check their social media accounts and their website. It's all in the description box, and if you're interested, you can check them out.